The camcorder still works. Hey, you can see the couch. That one right there. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Then I put the phone in front of it. Still works. It's a 2002 model. So yeah. Okay, I'm just acting crazy on the camera recorder. Let me try this again. Dude, has silly faces. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah, okay. Bye, see you guys. Okay, this is how you turn that off. Let me show you. That switch right there. Alright, it's off. It's off. Let me fix it real quick. Like you put that case on it, so yeah. So yeah. Bye, see you guys.